If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Billionaire exclusive performance in 3, 2, 1. Bow.
Baby, I'm a monster.
Oh.
I've never felt like this before.
Okay.
When I walk through the door.
Out the door, out the door.
Click is a state of mind.
Oh, it's all in English? Oh.
And it ain't my fault if you're not trying to match my mood. Sorry, but that's on you.
That's on you. You got a little attitude. Ooh.
You know I'm not talking cash. Got a thing that's only mine.
What's only yours?
Your eyes go green. I can feel your jealousy.
Who's jealous?
You're in the sky, sky. Oh, look at me. I woke up feeling like a billionaire.
Are we feeling like a billionaire?
It's my life, it's so unfair.
Oh.
Money don't compare. I got something rare.
Like a billionaire.
Got rules, hit a break.
Oh shit.
Say one, but just stay in your face.
Say it with my chest and in your face. Oh, what?
Hit a boom in the bass.
Oh, that would go hard in the car.
Turn it up, RUKA. It's a bit of names to cut the jack.
Hey.
The money, power, and respect.
Hey.
Hold that, got
Bro. Asa. Fire.
a flame. Bet it on me, double up your life. Baby, I don't
Well, I like the claps in the background. It's
You
fire.
know I'm not talking cash. Got a thing that's on
My
my
mind.
And I want your eyes go
I don't-
green. I can feel your jealousy. Up here in the sky.
Oh.
Look at me. I
What?
woke up
What you woke up?
like a
Billionaire.
world
The Spanish guitar is fire too. It eats.
unfair. Money don't compare.
Mm.
I got something rare.
Asa with the short hair.
Like a billionaire.
Oh.
Billionaire.
Whoa.
Billionaire.
What we feeling like?
Baby monster, got me feeling
Like a billionaire. But billionaire. That but part.
monster, got me feeling like a billionaire. Look at me, I woke up
What you waking up? Billion. Who's singing in the background?
Money don't compare. I got something rare, so rare, billionaire.
You know, I did hear this. This is a B-side, right? If I'm not mistaken. Let me see this part. Right.
RUKA. It's a bit of names to cut the jack. Delete out with the money, power, and respect.
I swear, every time she raps, she always get my attention.
Arigato,
It's from their
hold that,
album.
hold that, hold that, got the flame. Bet it on me, double up your life. Baby, I
No, I definitely heard this before, but like, I think the visual to like the song is fire. Yeah.
need to
Let me hear the rap again. Hold up. Damn.
Say one, but just stay in your face.
What? Boom in the bass.
Pump it up, back it up, turn it up.
What?
It's a bit of names to cut the jack.
Cut the
Delete
jack?
out with the money, power, and respect.
Hey.
Arigato, hold that, hold that, hold that, got the flame.
Bro, she fire.
Bet it on
She
me,
fire,
double
bro.
up your life.
She fire, bro. She fire. She fire. She fire.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.